In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Xbox controller on Geometry Dash Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily set up Geometry Dash so you will be able to use the buttons on your Xbox controller to play it. You will be able to do all sorts of movements, and in order to set this up, you will need an external application. Even if you browse through all of the options inside of the game, usually you will not be able to find anything related to setting up a controller. So what I recommend that you do instead is to download an application like this one. This one is just an example, but there are various different options to choose from. What this is going to allow you to do is put the buttons from your Xbox controller on your screen, and whenever you press any of them, they will press on a specific position on the screen, depending on where you position the button. So download this one that I recommend, Octopus, or look for a similar gamepad key mapper for mobile. So all that you have to do now is get inside of a game, and as long as you are running Octopus on the background, you will be able to set it to gamepad mode. With this done, get any key, any D-pad button, or the analog controls, and you will be able to set them up around the screen. Usually, most people just bunch them up over here in the middle. So you will be able to add all of the buttons in the middle of the screen, and whenever you press any of them on your controller, it is just going to be like tapping on the screen in this specific position. Essentially, you will be doing an action inside of the game every time that you press a button. Of course, you can set them elsewhere if you prefer. The main point is that you have to let Octopus run on the background, and you will be able to assign these buttons to any position on the screen. And whenever you press them on your actual controller, then they will be executed, and it is just like tapping on these positions on the screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Xbox controller on Geometry Dash Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.